Wagwan travelers, it's Apache here. We over here at the Spanish Bridge in St. Mary with the White River flowing underneath. This bridge dates back to the 1770s. It's roughly 45 minutes from Ocho Rios. This is a popular swimming spot for locals, but it has become very popular for the tourists. This is a must-see in the Ocho Rios area. Please come check it out. Come out and catch a vibe with the locals. Don't be trapped inside the resort.
Ready?
I'm on a mission to get my first 1,000 subscribers. Please hit that subscribe button. It'll be appreciated. Triple backflip almost.
Are you ready?
Spider-Man. Yes, you gonna do that? Camera ready. That was a freestyle.
It's time for Pampa's Easy Up. They're easy to put on and easy to take off.
Hey, so. Not too big. If it's not far? Oh. Wanna go? Yeah? Yeah, let's go. Hang on. That was a 5-on-4 race. How about that? There you go. Okay. Watch the back. Watch the back.
Them you know off the street. They go as close as they can.
Okay, yeah. Hello.
Big bang, show me that squeeze bang. Big bang, show me that, please last. Double make me double cash. Free bang, yeah, squeeze bang. Big bang, show me that squeeze bang. Bingo bang,
remember me name.
Ronaldo.
Remember me
No
name.
dance it tango, we play a Django mistake. Probably play like Lambo switchblade. Cut face like mango cancel. Culture which up just get cancelled. Rubber grip handle. I'm a stammer like when stuttering answer. Fizzy pop Fanta. Abracadabra. Magic in the yola. Lift up a banger. Switch up the keys, breathe. Money knee deep. Lift up a BT. Cell phone, Southeast. Land down, road deep. Strike, score, goalie. Goal from the neck, plus the rollie. Mockers in the car, glass switch, plus the toll fee. Mockers in the car, glass switch, plus the toll fee. Smuggler, Leesland, double make with double cash, pre-bang, trouble that squeeze bang, big bang, trouble that squeeze bang, big bang, smuggler, Leesland, double make with double cash.
Here we go, man. Big bang. Yeah.
Bingo bango.
Big bang. Big bang. man.
Yeah, man. So enough of them, the brothers.